Hello YouTube, welcome to Home and Garden Fix and Tricks. I'm Michael. In today's video I am going to unbox this ArmorAll wet dry vacuum. Bought it off Amazon, bought it for $67.73 and it is still going for that at the time of making this video. So alright, so just watch me unbox it and we go through it together. So at the top we have the literature here. It says 2.5 gallon, 10 liter, and the model is the AA255W. Get that part here. Get this attachment as well. Extension for the hose. That's the base. The vacuum sits in that. The wheel and stuff. And then the vacuum. And the other attachments. Attachments there. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attachments. And over here is the vacuum. So it's nice, I like the color. Have the branding at the top, ArmorAll. Exhaust is right here. It's plastic. It looks like metal, but it's plastic. That's where they attach the hose. It's a 2 horsepower peak power. Pull it to the side here. The card of the hose in there. Good size hose. Little attachment for like your AC vents and so forth in your car. I have this filter. That's a wet filter. That's a dry one. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it, man. That's basically it. Gonna go and try it in the car now and see how well it can pick up dirt. So one drawback with it, I'm outside. One drawback I noticed so far, the power cord is very short. Very short, around 10 feet. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna demonstrate the power of the vacuum and how well it cleans. Have a good suction. So we have a lot of sponge right below the seat there. Seat I get holes, so it just shed some sponge. So we're going to see how well it take up those sponge. If you can see them. And of course, we're going to clean up that mat right there. See there? Clean. Clean, 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 guys. Doing a very good job. Nice. Nice. Nice and clean. Yeah, man. Everywhere is clean. And it's wet dry. But I'm not going to be able to test the wet dry function today. No. Still have a little dirt down there, but I'll put on the longer attachment. They can remove it easily. Clean. So I'll give this vacuum a strong 8.5 out of 10. You know, if the cord was a little bit longer, trust me. But then you can use a big long extension like mine. I'm using a big extension, so you're good. It's good to go, man. It have the wheel, can pull around easily. Nice vacuum. Nice vacuum. Let's see how well it's gonna hold up. Let's see if it can do 3, 4, 5 vehicles for the day. You know what I'm saying? Thank you very much for watching, guys. And remember, go get this vacuum. It's on Amazon. It's ArmorAll brand. I think it's for what, $67, as I said. Go get it. Trust me, it's a nice one. For Home and Garden Fix and Tricks, I'm Michael. Peace.